There's a real danger that the evolutions in AI could cost some humans their jobs in the near future.
So should we be worried, is it going to take all of our jobs?
I think it'll take over a lot of jobs.
In the shadows of humanity's progress, a menacing force looms: the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to integrate into our lives, it threatens to displace human jobs across industries. As we stand on the brink of a dystopian future, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the dark consequences of AI? Here are the top 10 jobs that could soon be replaced by AI in 2023. Starting off the list is teaching. The classroom, once a bastion of human interaction, is now at risk of being infiltrated by AI. ChatGPT, an AI language model, is not only enabling students to cheat on their homework, but it's also poised to become the new educator. Despite its current shortcomings, experts predict ChatGPT's knowledge will eventually surpass that of human teachers. Next up, jobs in legal industry. Paralegals and legal assistants, whose roles hinge on processing vast amounts of information, are in danger of being replaced by AI's language capabilities. While human judgment is still required, AI may soon provide a productivity boost that renders many of these workers obsolete. Media jobs. The media landscape is under siege as AI infiltrates advertising, content creation, technical writing, and journalism. AI's proficiency in language-based tasks threatens to disrupt the very core of these professions. Even renowned economist Paul Krugman acknowledges that AI can perform reporting and writing tasks more efficiently than humans. Although seen as one of the most lucrative industries to be in, those who work in tech are not exempted from the risk of being made redundant by their own creation. Coders, computer programmers, software engineers, and data analysts alike face an uncertain future as AI language models like ChatGPT threaten to fill the gaps in their industry. AI's ability to crunch numbers and generate code quickly could reduce the need for human expertise in these fields. Market research analysts. The advent of AI's data analysis and prediction capabilities endangers the livelihoods of market research analysts. Tasks that once required human interpretation could soon be handled by AI, rendering these analysts obsolete. If you work in finance and thought you were safe, you'd be wrong. Financial analysts and personal financial advisors find themselves in the crosshairs of AI's ability to analyze market trends, manage portfolios, and forecast investments. AI's ever-growing proficiency in these areas may soon render human analysts redundant. Traders too are at risk. Wall Street is no longer a safe haven, as AI threatens to replace the very people who built its foundations. Experts suggest that AI can easily perform tasks that currently occupy entry-level traders. Graphic designers. The creative realm is not immune to AI's encroachment. Tools like dall-e can generate images in mere seconds, potentially destabilizing the graphic design industry and upending the careers of millions. We've got bad news for you if you're an accountant. The stability of the accounting profession is jeopardized by AI's capacity to perform tasks that were once the exclusive domain of human intellect. Professors caution that this development may prove disruptive and painful for both employment and politics. Customer service agents. The impersonal touch of AI-driven customer service may soon become the norm, as more companies opt for chatbots over human representatives. By 2027, it's predicted that chatbots will be the primary customer service channel for a quarter of all companies. As we hurtle towards this bleak future, we must face the grim reality that AI's unstoppable march may leave countless human workers in its wake. The question remains, can we adapt, or will we be left behind?